I have with me two Orbit routers and a Din-rail mount, part number 03-4125A06. On the left, we have an MCR or Multi-Service Connect router. On the right, we have an ECR or Edge Connect router. And below, I have a Din-rail mount kit, which includes a clip and spring. On the back of the Orbit router, you're going to see an embossed H on the top. Notice that the embossed H has 4 folded edges. Now looking at the Din-rail clip, we can turn it over and see 4 folded edges and a square on its top. Putting the clip on the Orbit, we're going to take those folded edges and match them, sliding in to the back of the radio. When lined up correctly, it should almost fall into place. If installed correctly, the mount should hang freely. Now taking your spring from the Din-rail kit, place it into the keyhole shape in the center of the kit. Push the spring into the clip until it's secure in its place. It helps to hold the top part of the clip while putting the spring into the mount. Your Din-rail mount is installed and it's ready to be mounted. You have successfully installed a GE MDS Orbit Din-rail mount.